One of the most popular Notion use cases is to use it as your company wiki or knowledge base. And when you build out a knowledge base like this, you'll find yourself often cross-referencing different resources in your workspace. So there might be one article, one page that talks about a certain topic, but it might link to 10 or 15 different other pages, just like you would expect on Wikipedia, for example, where one article can link to thousands of other articles. And this is a really common concept in information organization because you want to kind of make these cross connections between different pieces of content. Now, historically, links were only one directional. So if I was linking to a page or to your website, for example, then you didn't even know that I was linking to a website. You could have figured out somehow, but you wouldn't know exactly. And this is something that sometimes can be a bit of a pain, especially if you're using something like Notion, where you want to have these thoughts be interconnected. And that's where Notion backlinks come in. Backlinks are basically a way for you to have bidirectional relationships between different pages. So you always know which page is actually being linked to from which of your other pages inside of your Notion workspace. It's pretty similar to the references section of a Wikipedia post. So let me show you how it works. So I'm in my workspace and let's just go through a quick example. I'm going to go to the finance page. We're not going to do anything with finance. I just want to make up a quick example. So let's say we want to link to the goals page because we want to talk about our finances here. And we want to link to a goal, for example, that talks about our financial goals. So let's use the link to page option. And then let's look for our goals page. So we can create this link down here. And now we have a link to our goals page. Now, again, previously the goals page wouldn't be able to know that we're linking to it. But now, since Notion has introduced this feature, if I go to goals, you'll actually see this little button up here. And this tells us that there is one backlink to this page. And if we click on that to expand it, we see that the finance page is linking to the goals page. So wherever we are in our workspace, we basically know which other resources rely on the resource we're currently working on, which is really powerful, especially for knowledge bases and for customer support pages and stuff like that. Now, if you want these backlinks to show up by default, you can actually go into the settings and to customize page. And here you can set if you want the backlinks or how you want the backlinks to show. So you can show them as expanded, which means that they will actually be part of the page. So they will show up at the top. And let's say I add another backlink from my content calendar, for example. So again, just going to link to the goals page like this. And now we get this list of pages that reference our goals page. So try it out, see how it works for you and see how you like it the best. And then I'll see you in the next video.